Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is the Google Nest Thermostat, and it's their latest generation here, and the color is snow. So it has a metallic little front and then a white rim around it. You'll also notice that I have this little plate around it. That is the trim kit. The trim kit's going to be optional. So my old thermostat was a lot longer. It had a full blocks behind it. So I needed that trim kit to cover that up. So depending on your setup, if you have a small hole, you may not need that. But if you have a larger like junction box behind it, you may need that kit. As far as install, super easy. I do recommend taking a picture of your wire configuration, and then as going through the app, it is going to walk you step by step. Anybody can do it. You do not need a professional, which is absolutely amazing as far as setup goes. Setup is going to take about 15 to 30 minutes. It will launch and calibrate with everything, and it's going to set you up perfect. Now, one of the nice things about the Nest thermostat, it has a ton of features. Anything from like the energy saving features, which will kind of cue around depending on the temperature outdoors. It also has its away function. So if it doesn't detect motion or your cell phone on property, then it will go ahead and bump up the temperature so you're not cooling an empty house. Those are all optional features, which is absolutely great. Now, obviously, it connects via the Wi-Fi, so you can remotely control the temperature as you wish. Let's say you're going on vacation, you want to bump up the thermostat because you forgot to before you left. You can do that, or you can turn it down when you're on your way back to the house, which is another great aspect of it. It really has a lot of customizabilities, which helps save you money. Now, everything can be connected to the Google Home app. That's how you're going to set it up, which means you can also use your voice to control it if you have that set up either through your phone or through your house. Meaning you can turn down the temperature from your couch, which is another awesome feature. And it has a lot of different settings when going through it. You can choose to have it on cooling only mode. You can choose to have it on heating mode. You can have it on basically cooling and heating mode. You can have it where you can set the fan to run 30 minutes if you need some circulation throughout your room or your house, I should say. It works very well. And it also has these other parts of it, which is it'll even notify you about HVAC maintenance. So if it does calculate anything that's having issues, it'll notify you that. You can sign up for that program as you will. So you can kind of pick and choose what you want, but overall it's a very easy to control thermostat. There is a touch dial on the side, which you'll just slide up and down to adjust the temperature or vary the modes, and then just tap it. It's basically touching like a cell phone screen, really. It's just a touch sensitive, and then this metallic screen front, it's very vivid, easily to see it when you're looking at it. It'll even light up when you walk by, but when you're not, it's just a mirrored front, which looks really cool. So overall, it's a great thermostat. If you are looking for a easy to install thermostat that can be controlled from anywhere, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.